sorry about that. As you know, that, the song bench is in half, but it's just a sawing bench. I'm sure he can get another one, but let's just take a look at the spring. Jacob, will you hold the camera while I go up?
Okay. Lauren, are you sure you want to go up? How about you go up to that giant downed one? Because that's really cool. The downed one over there. You're behind the tree, Lauren. Lauren, I already got a piece of bark. You don't need more.
This is the bark of it. I'm gonna throw that.
Oh no, we're near the splint. Lauren, we have to go.
Run.
This way. Under the crazy splint.
Okay, Jacob, get this. Okay.
Now we're gonna show you guys.
No! So, this branch came from our maple, Japanese maple tree.
It blew all the way across the road to the Hannaford.
See? Let's go show them our maple, Japanese maple tree. So, this is incredible. A tiny branch, which is actually humongous.